Bye, Blue. Bye. Bye. This is where it's just my backyard, a single horse, and 38 chickens. That little white wire is just so for whenever we let the horse out to graze, he doesn't try and escape, because she likes to run out. Sugar bush. Nice little lake area. I'm pretty sure this is a dam. But then again, I don't think dams, get grass on top of them. That's weird. I'm up around here. There should be like a little baby waterfall. Yep, right there. That just goes way back past our property. It's really nice out right now. Have a pretty medium coat on. This, I'm pretty sure, is where a bunch of deer have been laying down. And there's like no grass. It's kind of like really low grass. You can kind of see where my house is. And there's also this weird little huddle. And like there's a bunch of weird colors in it. I've seen that a few times when I've come down here on this little walk area. It's still on my property. Well, my parents, but bunch of fallen trees. This little area is like really perfect, huh? And then it gets to this part. And yeah, that's still like the same area, like same creek. It's pretty deep actually. It rained last night, so yeah, that explains why it's deep. Probably have to go. I don't remember it ever being like this clear, like at all. Guess I'll just so I don't trespass anywhere, just gonna and this is, I'm pretty sure this is like a little second creek. We can either go that way up home or this way up to a little four-wheeler track. I'm gonna go to the weird four-wheeler track. It has been used in years. So, this is my property, well, my family's property. I think this is part of a little bit of a four-wheeler track. I'm pretty sure it's right down here if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Some kind of little trail at least. All kind of eroded away. And I believe I'm trespassing. Right? You can really tell that I am. Yeah, oh, is that it actually? That's weird. Bunch of perfectly good chairs, from what it looks like. That's pretty weird. It looks like a little board that someone was shooting at. I think that's when my older brother was really big into nature. You know, four-wheeled a lot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and head home now, just so I don't get lost. It would not be good if I got lost out here, because there's like no one. Just come down here. I'm pretty sure I came into this area right through just about here, so yep, there it is. Here's a spider web. And that goes back a while. These trees are pretty tall. This is the reason why this is all so clear, is because this is all power lines, which kind of sucks when there's like a big storm, because our power goes out when a branch touches these. Nice little open area. Nice to just kind of walk down. Freaking branches are everywhere. Right now it's like 7 in the morning, maybe 7:30. I hope that was a deer. Probably was. There's nothing really else that is, heavy enough to break anything. Just a bunch of birds and some deer. Perfect little area. Well, this has been my little nature walk in the morning, and my name is Connor Fisher, and goodbye.